I need the fire department. There's houses on fire. There's no anybody here. And I'm here now.
I was born and raised here. It's back in 1971, born at Huntington Memorial Hospital in Pasadena, but the house that I grew up in as a baby all the way until high school is right around this corner. And when I first drove out here after the fires, just to come see Altadena because we stumbled across this opportunity with BOXABL, the first thing I wanted to do was find the house that I lived in. It was impossible to find because, as you can see, there's nothing out here that you can recognize. And I'm looking at all of this devastation, these huge holes in the yards. Looks like somebody just threw grenades in the yard. And it makes you a little emotional when you're looking at your old stomping grounds and you can't find the home that you grew up in. I had to look at the signs that the city is posting in front of these yards just to see an address, because you can't read it from the curb because it's been burnt up. So the numbers aren't legible, and as you can see, you'll start seeing numbers, 955 East, and we're right down here. This is my lot. So I found this lot by reading that sign out front that says 1023. And I'm still, to this day, I couldn't tell you what my house used to look like. I know what it used to look like. But looking at this lot, you wouldn't be able to, you can't vision it. This is crazy. So this is the reason why we're here in Altadena, because Altadena is going to rebuild. It's Altadena strong, that's the motto. And we're gonna help them. We're here to help them. We're here to put affordable housing on these properties. And if they want their house to be rebuilt and they want us as a custom home company to rebuild it, we're here for that. But other than that, we're here to bring BOXABL to Altadena so they can quickly be placed on their land, their property, and watch their home being rebuilt so that they can get back to some normal living. This is crazy. So that's why we're here, brother. This is why phase 1 starts in Altadena. We're taking BOXABL with us. BOXABL is revolutionizing the housing market. This technology is beyond normal. So many different uses, not just temporary. Could be your permanent, could be your rental, could put your family member in it. More importantly, I can purchase one of these units and have it on my lot. And let's say my daughter in Houston, Texas, if she decides to buy a piece of land and she wants to build a home for her and her family, I can fold this unit up, put it on a tractor trailer and shoot it out there and she could use it for herself.
That's why we love this engineering of this unit, because it just utilizes every inch to benefit the resident, the owner. You can be living on your property in one day. This thing was just on a truck earlier that day. So it's a great product. We love it. Right now, we've been working with folks trying to get an expedited permit process going. And we develop great relationships with local community activists and leaders and politicians to make this process go a little bit quicker and smoother for the residents of Altadena.
We're here. We're here to make a difference. So I'm thinking between now and the end of the year, we'll probably drop at least 100 units in Altadena. I can almost guarantee it.
I love it.
Yeah, because we're already, everybody sees us setting up. They're already coming over. They got the questions. They want to know what's going on. They want to see it. They want to get inside. They want to check it out. See what I'm saying? They're coming in right now. They want to check it out.